because that's another oil goes back to your immune system and oil from your meat. Yeah? So, waiting period of cooking that sinigang is very close to 1 hour. Okay? Today po, the only difference is medium heat, 30 minutes at walang tubig. Okay? Simple. The same thing, ang ingredient ko po, meron akong kamatis, meron akong sibuyas. Ang kamatis natin ay 3 to 4 ripe tomato. Ang tomato po, it's a very, ang tawag po nila dyan ay hindi vegetable. Fruits daw yan. Yeah?
Yeah.
Fruits siya. Yeah? So, ito po ay merong tumutulong sa ating immune system, especially if you have some existing condition, heart disease or whatever. If you guys are diabetic, you research tomato can help you to change your immune system. Ngayon po, tayo walang gisa-gisa, walang tubig. Maglalagay po ako ng spare ribs, pork ribs po yan, and priniwas lang po ni Dodi yan. Inisin nyo lang ang meat nyo. You don't need to add water because what we are looking for is a very natural water from the vegetable. Wala po tayo ating patis, walang asin. Because we try to help you guys to lower some of sodium from your body. So, what I have here is just only a simple of Mama Sita from Seafood City. I get Mama Sita kasi wala ang papa. Pero lang ang meron doon. Ha? Ate, ito lang ang ingredients nyo and this is good enough for today. Okay po? Pag gusto na, wala na po tayong asin or patis kasi gusto ko makain nyo ang very natural taste from whatever I have to put it in here. Tayo po ay merong labanos, sitaw, and jalapeno. Meron po tayong hot mama, hot papa. Ha? Ayan. Napapansin nyo po, sino ang gumagamit ng labanos sa inyo? Pag ginamit nyo to, ano po ate ang napapansin nyo? May amoy. Yan. Yan. Pag ito po yung nangyari today, maybe that's my husband, ha? Nangyari doon sa kusina. Hindi po ate, the reason why ang inyo pong sinigang pag may labanos, may amoy, there is some enzymes po sa vegetable na to na nagpapalit back sa kaldero nyo. It means if your cooker is bleaching, whatever cooker is that, pag hindi 316 titanium, pag ginamit mo ito sa cooking, may amoy. Yan. Anyway, ate, ito naman ay you guys are very close to me, close in the kitchen. Bubuksan ko mamaya. Let me know if you smell something. In Salad Master, you don't need to worry about how to cook. Everything is just the system. Ang ating pong green mustard, this is really good for the people who are diabetic, people who are lack of iron, because this is high in iron if you can research. Okay po? If you guys are starting, nag-check ng immune system, maybe you wanna be healthy, please research what is the vegetable that I need for my immune system. Of course, on the way, you need to have a check-up from your doctor also to check what is unbalanced for your immune system. Ate, no water. And in Salad Master, wala po tayong high heat method. That is a very unique way of cooking. No high heat method. This is only medium heat. Imagine guys, your sinigang will be done in 30 minutes. Tayo po, no pot watching, no stirring, leave it and forget it for 30 minutes. Anyway po, regular cover is okay. But today, I wanna show it to you. There is another good thing that from 5 quarts covered by 7. The purpose for this one is for stock cooking ate. Kasi tayo pong Salad Master is walang slab dito in the bottom. So it means when the heat touches the bottom, disperse evenly to the side, it goes around. It helps us to produce water. Okay, so ngayon po is, ang purpose nito, while I'm waiting for my sinigang in 30 minutes, Dodi can boil water here on the top, or mag-preheat po kayo ng mga leftover na pagkain kung kayo may iniintay pa. So the way is saving energy, saving space, saving time. Everything po is in one in all. Ito po is, I will give it back to Dodi. Your sinigang will be done in 30 minutes. Medium heat only. Ang ating pong cookware will help us additional to cook all the way. Kaya po yan ay cut and hand. So may pagkakaiba po sa ating material na ginamit.